The brand new Amazon Fire HD8 2022 edition. I can't even keep up with Amazon at this point of the amount of Fires they release. But this one, everyone, is an 8-inch rear and front-facing cameras, Dolby Atmos sound, hexa-core processor for $59. That is astronomically low. Now this thing also has a 1 terabyte micro SD card acceptable port. That's insane. Amazon does this thing. If you're wondering why this is so cheap, is because once you get this, they throw rentals at you and buy now videos through Amazon Prime, and they give you services, and they give you monthly subscriptions and payments and things that like Amazon Kids Prime and Kids Plus and all that stuff. So basically when you get this, they want to get this into your hands at the cheapest price possible. So you say, wow, free shipping, same day Prime shipping for $59, that's crazy. And then you start paying with your credit card and they're like, hey, do you authorize us to bill you after the 30-day period, etc. So there's a lot of that going on, is what you have to be aware of. And that's kind of industry standard. Now, something I've noticed, this is important, so pay attention. This box is not going to protect your unit. So if you're sending this to someone overseas, please be careful. Look at this. This was in a cardboard box with another unit, and just the weight of the other unit in the box crushed this super thin cardstock. I'm talking, this is really thin. This is construction paper. You're cutting out stars and pansies and posies with this. Honestly, that's as thin as it's ever been. And they say this is eco packaging. I agree, but my glass screen is up against a piece of construction paper. And look at this. This is even flimsier. This is not corrugated cardboard. This is a piece of packaging that you would find around. This is thinner than a box of Cheerios. So I just want to point that out, and it bears mentioning because this is an unboxing. This is about the quality of the packaging and how this thing is R&D'd to be packaged in such a way. And there is R&D. Look, the little smile is orange when you open it up. I mean, all these things are made for a reason. So kudos to Amazon for being as minimalist with their packaging as possible, because they used to come in these big chunky boxes. And look, it's all paper now. So this is paper, this is paper, this is wax paper, this is paper. I love that. It's good to gravitate away from plastic. Use plastic where you need it. The body of the USB charger, I mean, you could make it out of wood, which would be awesome, actually. And the cable, you need plastic, but everything else is just overkill. So let's open this up, because this is very exciting, guys. This is, well, I say exciting, I mean this is like the 85th model, including all the sub variants, color variants, kids models. I can't even keep up anymore. But this, guys, is a tablet. It is not an e-reader, and it is no longer called the Kindle Fire. They got rid of that early on because people were getting confused between what a tablet was and their Kindle line of e-readers. So it was kind of bridging this gap that no one asked to be bridged, I guess you could say. This thing is really nice. It has USB-C, it has a headphone jack, it's got very nice sound quality, as they say. We'll have to check that out in the full review. And again, that SD card slot right here, which is actually pretty thick plastic. That's really cool. I like when the materials are very high quality. Honestly, it does make for a good experience. It's good tactile feel. The back is textured aside from the piano finish smile, so it doesn't really show fingerprints or anything like that. Very nice. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Fire HD8 by Amazon 2022, which they just deem the all new. Stay tuned for a full review coming up soon. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.